Hey guys, this is great opportunity for you guys to participate in the contest. You have to find a hidden question in a video and first one give the correct answer will be the winner. Winner has the opportunity to get his or query solved through direct discussion with me or in comments. They can also ask me to make a project of their choice. Winner name will be revealed after 24 hours of the uploaded video in paint comment section.
How to make the simplest voltage converter for project other power supplies and cheapest project I am using for this setup for charging this lithium battery. This lithium battery is find laptop and power banks. This is a dangerous battery. Lithium ion batteries are dangerous. I not recommend. It is also available in market and with BMS. BMS means battery management board. So it is also received a battery management board and battery charging module both in cheapest price. So I not recommend you can try with this purpose to charge this battery. This is chargeable battery. I am take this battery in laptop. Charge laptop old battery. First just I put in there. Turn on. By the way, one thing this is a voltage variable setup. You can see there are 12 volt positive line. You can put 5 to 12 volt DC voltage required. Voltage positive right there to potentiometer pointer and potentiometer one pin. Other potentiometer other pin 10 kilo constant resistor or 5 watt. Other resistor point that into negative and this resistor so when voltage pass this and negative to output negative and this centered up diode receive positive protection, which means you can charge a battery right there. This time in the battery charge there and there is no reverse voltage flow problem, and it is also variable. See there at present 3 volt. Just this way you can adjust voltage 3 volt, 4 volt, 5 volt, 6 volt, max 8 volt. We obtain right there. But there I am using a 12 volt charger 1 ampere. Why I am using 1 ampere? There I am charged this technique. I am charge this battery using this technique. This is not I not recommend at all. So it is a dangerous lithium ion battery explosive. The very highly explosive thing. So just make sure the charger plug in. Just plug in voltage just in 4 volt. So it is need 3.7 volt, almost 4 volt. So it is here a voltage in not a point. Other this is a current consumption of 1000 milliampere, which means 1000 milliampere charge of 1 ampere. How find capacity there for mass capacity in battery? How much if you charge a battery? If this type you may know what is the capacity of your battery. For battery capacity are in mAh and Ah, which means milliamp hour and amp hour, which means how many times time provide how much time battery can provide a constant run in how much time run battery can run, which means 1 milliamp hour battery can run only 1 milliampere load with 1 hour. Amp hour, which means 1000 milliamp hour charge the 1 amp hour is turned in amp hour or milliamp hour, which means milliamp hour, which means a milli micro nanometer as computer languages. Light for instance, this is a Nokia battery, cell phone battery. You can charge also this lithium battery, but keep in mind there's a within capacity 1000 milliamp hour, 1000 and then 1000 milliamp hour and 50 milliamps, which means 1050 milliamps battery, which means 1.01 ampere battery. You can charge with this battery with this 1 ampere charger easily, but there are no short circuit protection, no over voltage protection, no overcurrent protection, no over discharge protection. There is a highly dangerous and no short circuit protection. You can buy cheapest 50 rupees charging module for power banks and shops, electrical store easily. It is the best choice to charge, and but it is and full form of BMS, battery management system, prevent battery over temperature, charge to each voltage cells individually charge in series circuit, no over voltage protection, no water protection, no heat protection, no spark protection, anything, any protection is created by BMS, battery management system. You can use a battery management system, although this battery is also made of internally BMS. So if you take a battery label, but I not do things, so I am show you right now. But this is a new battery. I not do. You can see this a cell, and there inside are a charging BMS board, which makes a PIC, MOSFET, and other 8-pin DP chip. I not start this battery. Give a 1 ampere charger, 12 volt charger. This battery is 3.7 volt, so I am connecting uh, this circuit, so 4 volts. Otherwise, never touch this resistor right there, so it is auto them. Then I just that's right there. Otherwise, I have no battery holder right now, so I am use this crappy idea, but I not recommend with single touch. Other one thing I like to mention this way is not a very efficient way. Otherwise, you can see I already break a seal of the cell. So one my cell is charging. Previous day I worked in a video to previously made there night, so I not made video right now. So I delete video. I remade a video right now. But my one cell is charging. Lithium cell is charged with this formula. Cell are lead inside. When I dispatch the cell inside the oil lift up. When I pour the scissor, it is generate a huge spark, which means this is not a good idea to charge this right, and charging is all battery explosive. Otherwise, there are I am remove all the cells, but there are issues some twice when I put a wire mains positive and negative little bit shorted, so it is a very dangerous do. This way you can charge a battery, but although they are consume more and more time, it is not possible. I am put my hand in 2 or 3 hours sit in this place, so I am telling you this way you can charge a battery. But before charging a battery, you make sure how much capacity is your battery and how much capacity you have your charger, which means how much current apply your charger and how much current you need a battery. Otherwise, explore when you turn a low voltage supply to high voltage source and high voltage source to low voltage supply, and same as current, which means high power charger, low power battery, low power charger, and high power battery is not a good idea. Both things and at the same as possible. So this is my throated cell. Previously charging, but there are leads. Some I pull a scissor in, there are spark create, which means this seal is cylindrical or seal damage. They are stored inside. You notice I am video made in open stuff, which means these kind of all video open in open atmosphere, which means they are dangerous. For example, this lithium ion battery is mostly dangerous. I am recommending if you not try this at home, if you like to try, you can try outside for home for open source, which source have no any people laying around or no any houses laying around, so it is dangerous for you and any person which laying around for you. And now see that's setting there. So there are positive wires right there with 10 kilo ohm, as well as diode, as well as multimeter positive, multimeter negative to multimeter negative right there. Yes, they are connected to charger negative as well as potentiometer negative and pressure meter 1 point at pointer and other 1 point connecting to this resistor as like a voltage rise. This means both voltage drop with this. You can use also 24 volt charger and 34 volt supply, but you can modify it by this potentiometer to 100 kilo potentiometer and this resistor to 24 to 36 kilo ohm resistor. So they are adjustable. This source for best for other purposes, which mean light LED lightings, other projects, but not a battery charging. And this will come next to very soon. I hope I'm working on lots of projects right now. So one project today, or one project I am making a 50%, but there are mistakes. My components is fall off, which means my all components is mixed. So I take a one box and mix with all components in one box put in. So there's no value inside. Mark which point box which one component. So it is not easy to find every component one by one. So I am working right now. I am made a one project in today, and one project other I am 50% worth, and one other project I am worth 60%, but I am rebroken now, so I am need a components are same circuit, which means both circuit and same components, which means few components used in both circuits. So that's why I have few set of components which are in two places. So I am first made a first project and second project made after. And this video is end with next very soon. By the way, to test question: how many applications we obtain at this type of lithium ion battery? How many applications we obtain at this battery instead of laptop batteries and power banks? Then with the next video very soon. I am working still right now, but I open videos continuously make and after from rest and after do other projects.